I want rustlers, cutthroats, murderers, bounty hunters, desperados, mugs, pugs, thugs, nitwits, halfwits, dimwits, vipers, snipers, con men, Indian agents, Mexican bandits, muggers, burgerers, bushwhackers, hornswagglers, horse thieves, bull dykes, train robbers, bank robbers, ass kickers, shit kickers, and Methodists!
Could you repeat that, sir?
Law and order is the last thing I want. My mind is a raging torrent, flooded with rivulets of thought, cascading into a waterfall of creative alternatives.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. First shot.
Hey, where are the white women at?
Okay. I like it.
Only underwear!
Of course, the biggest charge made the biggest hole. What else is new? Regular target that comes with Goliath in the Goliath package. Next one up, the Play-Doh size. And then like 1.5 times the Play-Doh size.